Good morning, everyone. So, my name is Jumel T. Generala from Consuelo, Bunawan, Agusan del Sur. So, our topic for today's video is all about software and why it is important in ICT. Software is important because software is a set of instruction or program that tells computer what to do. It is crucial component of ICT or information and communication technology that enables user to interact with computer hardware, perform various tasks, and access information. Importance of software in ICT. First, enable computer functionally. Software brings computer hardware to life, allowing user to perform various tasks, access information, and communicate with others. Second, provide a platform for innovation. Software enables developers to create new applications, services, and solutions that transform industries, improve lives, and drive economic growth. Third, facilities, communication, and collaboration. Software enables user to communicate, collaborate, and share information with others, regardless of geographically location. Fourth, support education and learning. Software provides interactive learning tools, educational resources, and online courses that enhance the learning experience and improve outcomes. Fifth, drives economic growth and productivity. Software increases efficiency, reduces cost, and improve productivity in various industry, contributing to economic growth and competitiveness. Sixth and last, enhances entertainment and leisure. Software enables the creation and distribution of digital entertainment content such as movies, music, and games. Let's proceed to the type of software. First, system software. Manage computer hardware resources and provides a platform for running application. Second, we have application software, perform specific tasks and provide services to users. Third and last, programming software, used to create, test, and debug other software programs. So that's all for today's video. God bless everyone.